I've noticed that I've seen Instagram posts or Instagram profiles that are private. As a business, as an artist, I've seen Facebook posts that are only accessible to one's friend network, not the public, as a business, as an artist. And I'm going to tell you, folks, I'm perplexed because I'm not understanding as a business why one is not using a free marketing platform or free marketing platforms to advance, familiarize, expose, add on, profit, all the elements that marketing on social media does for one's business or does for one as an artist. Now, how can I speak to this? My numbers are what they are. I have 14,000 some followers on LinkedIn. I have 18,000 on Instagram. I have over 6,000 on Facebook. I have over 13,000 on YouTube. So I'm not major. I don't have huge. I don't have numbers in the millions. But the reason why is because I choose the level of how much I want to do or not do. And that's really what I want to teach you, because I'm realizing that because of all of the pros, but definitely the cons, is why some people may shy away from using social media. It can seem daunting. It can seem overwhelming. It can seem a little bit scary. So that's where I come in. Again, mentally showing you how to find your comfort zone, find what works for you, find where you feel comfortable so that you're comfortable with at least having a presence. Having a presence on social media, one, validates you as a business. One would think, well, I've been in business XYZ 20, 30 years. Why do I need a platform that's only 10, 15 years old to enhance what I'm doing, what I've already been doing? Because in each market trend or in each transition of marketing, there are different market trends that come at each pivotal point of your business. So you as a business owner, you as an artist has to learn how to adapt. But like I said earlier, that becomes overwhelming. That can become daunting. So you stay away, you shy away from it. But you can't do that. So what am I getting ready to do for you? I am getting ready to, how ironic, 10 years ago, I started teaching this when I was a constant contact email marketer instructor. So now that, and even that was a market trend. When all of us wasn't using social media just yet, we were making the transition to email marketing. Then email marketing went to this, that. Everything is always in evolvement. So when I used to teach constant contact email marketing, I was going into social media. So 10 years later, to the date, I'm excited to bring back to you guys how to use social media effectively for one's business or if one is an artist. When am I going to do this? I'm going to have our first information session on May 26th, right here in Harlem, NYC, at Cloth Technology Lab. Cloth Technology Lab is in Washington Heights. The details will be in the information with this video. May 26th from 12 to 2. I will briefly discuss with you how to use social media effectively, why it's important, allow for you to ask questions, and then I will sign you all up for the official workshop that will follow the information session. But first, let me answer your questions. So join us on May 26th. I need you guys to RSVP so that I can get a head count, because this is a free session. It's a free session, May 26th, with Friday, May 26th at Cloth Technology Lab over in Washington Heights. Sign up at The Next Chapter TV at Gmail. The Next Chapter TV at Gmail. To RSVP for May 26th, 12 to 2, our How to Use Social Media Effectively as a Business information session. Once again, it's your girl Kat from the Kitty Rose Lifestyle. The revolution has begun. Mwah. Peace, everyone.